Looking for the very best treadmills under $1,000? This guide is made for you. Using a treadmill is a great way to get an efficient aerobic workout at home. Even if you love running outdoors, there are times when the heat or cold makes it less than appealing. In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. This NordicTrack treadmill is a step above the rest, pun intended. While it sits closer to the top of the $1,000 budget, we found it well worth the splurge. We were wowed by the 10% incline capability, tied with the Schwinn 810 for the highest incline on this list, and a top speed of 10 miles per hour, all while providing a smooth and stable experience. The 10-inch digital touchscreen display was easy for us to read, even with contacts or glasses, and it connects to iFit, a subscription that brings you interactive, trainer-led workouts. But yes, you'll have to pay extra for that. This savvy treadmill can be folded up and stored away, and we made sure to fold it up each time we used it to make sure it was as easy as the ads promised. Spoiler alert, it was. All in all, we felt this treadmill checked all the boxes from luxury to functionality, at a price tag we were more than happy with. Our library of on-demand workouts feature automatic trainer control, where our world-class trainers digitally control your speed and incline for a great workout. Take your workout to the next level with impressive decline and incline capabilities. With iFit, your trainer will auto-adjust your treadmill to mimic real-world terrain. After each workout, you can easily fold your T6.5S treadmill up and out of the way for compact storage that maximizes your living space. Our cushioning allows you to engage dampeners to soften the impact on your joints or simulate a real road running experience with a single turn. Equipped with self-cooling technology, this powerful smart response motor is designed to support all types of cardio training, from HIIT workouts to endurance runs. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness TR Folding Treadmill. For well under $1,000, this affordable treadmill over-delivers, thanks to 12 preset programs, 3 manual incline levels, and a top speed of 10 miles per hour, which is higher than many other budget treadmills we tested. We found the backlit LCD screen easy to read, even while moving, and the setup went remarkably smoothly for a DIY assembly. Like our pick for the best compact treadmill, the Sunny Health and Fitness Strider Foldable Smart Treadmill, this option folds up for out-of-sight storage. The manual incline was a little disruptive since we had to get off the treadmill in order to change resistance. The other place we noticed this treadmill to be lacking was in the console, which was oddly shallow and not conducive to holding a water bottle. There is a place to rest your phone or tablet for entertainment, however. Smooth and quiet high-torque 2.25 horsepower motor powers the treadmill at speeds from 0 to 10 miles per hour. 12 preset programs provide challenging variation to keep your workouts effective and engaging, while 10 levels of electronic incline help you control the intensity of your workout. A durable heavy-gauge steel frame provides smooth performance every time you press start. Take your interactive running experience to the next level with 12 preset programs and Bluetooth FTMS connectivity, which allows you to connect to third-party apps to track your progress or access interactive training. Extra soft cushion deck technology for maximum impact absorption keeps joints safe and workouts comfortable. For added convenience, an integrated book rack and accessory holder keep your reading material, remote control and anything else you want close by. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Premium Slim Folding Treadmill. Small enough to be folded up and stored under a bed, this compact treadmill is a minimalist's dream. Its sleek, modern design is basic yet efficient, and it can be easily moved from room to room thanks to the attached wheels and lightweight construction. This is a great option for beginner runners or those who don't have a lot of space to commit to workout equipment. If you're a more experienced runner, however, this buy may not be the best choice. The speed tops out at 8 miles per hour without any option for adding an incline. At Sunny, we believe a quality workout experience and healthy lifestyle should be within reach of anyone who wants it. For 20+ years, Sunny Health and Fitness is widely recognized as a premier brand of high-quality fitness products. We stand behind our product, and our trained support reps and fitness instructors are dedicated to providing you with the best fitness experience. Watch your workout progress in real time with the 4-window display. View your time, distance, speed, and calories burned all at the same time. Use the integrated pedometer to track your steps during each exercise session. Mount your favorite devices on the treadmill by using the convenient tablet holder. Number 4. Schwinn Fitness 810 Treadmill. While Schwinn is a trusted brand known mainly for its home exercise bikes, it also manufactures other top-quality gym equipment. And this Schwinn treadmill is no exception. Thanks to a sturdy build, powerful motor, and useful add-on features like cup holders, a USB charging port, and an LCD display. It has 16 built-in exercise programs, which users can personalize with their weight and exercise goals, making this the best affordable treadmill for experienced runners. With a 10% incline and 10 miles per hour capacity, this reliable treadmill will give even the most serious runners an intense workout. Plus, the soft track cushioning on the luxuriously long 55 running belt softens the impact on your joints. This tread is foldable, but it's still pretty bulky. Definitely not as streamlined as either Sunny Treadmill, and at 155 pounds, you probably won't want to be moving this regularly. While the treadmill does have an LCD display, there's no screen for shows or entertainment. You'll have to DIY your own. Free of boundaries and full of possibilities, the Schwinn 810 treadmill is the affordable, indoor cardio solution designed to keep you active and built for the journey ahead. Featuring a backlit LCD screen, 16 intuitive workout programs, a 20x55 running path, and a soft drop and folding design for easy storage, the 810 offers quality, affordability, and a one-way ticket to a life well lived. Plus, sync your 810 treadmill with the Explore the World map, allowing you to run around the world from the comfort of home. Travel along the sun-drenched beaches of California, to a rustic beauty of Tibet, and enjoy many more scenic destinations while tracking your workout metrics from your phone or tablet. No matter your fitness level, no matter your end goal, escape into your workout with the Schwinn 810 treadmill. Number 5. GoPlus 2-in-1 folding treadmill. Sliding a walking pad under your standing desk has become a trendy and healthy work-from-home habit over the last couple of years, and the GoPlus 2-in-1 folding treadmill is one of the best. Pop the handrails up to use as a treadmill, or stash them down and slide a pad under your desk to get a few steps in. The 5-layer, non-slip, and shock-absorbing running belt cushions impact on joints, and it's one of the quieter machines on the market. Your neighbors will thank you. Thanks to the soft drop system that makes folding and unfolding a breeze, it's also super lightweight and easy to store. We also appreciated that it comes with a remote control, so you can easily change your speed while using it as a walking pad sans handrails. The max speed is only 7.5 miles per hour and no incline, which may not be high enough for intermediate or advanced runners. We also noticed that the running belt is only 40 long, which is pretty short. Our innovative 2-inch-1 folding treadmill has 2 sport modes that can be used as a running treadmill and an under-desk walking treadmill. With a powerful 2.25 horsepower ultra-quiet motor, it provides you with a quiet and comfortable sports environment without disturbing others. 5-layer non-slip and shock-absorbing running belt provides effective cushioning for your back, joints, muscles, knees and ankles. You can connect the treadmill to your phone through Bluetooth and play music while you are exercising. Equipped with a remote control and a safety key for immediate closure in an emergency.